Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to give you a brief tutorial on how to upload or import your W-2 credentials to your TurboTax account. Now, once you are here and you've signed in, this is pretty much your dashboard. Now, you might be wondering, oh, where is my W-2s or where is the option? All you want to do is go look at the upper right corner. There's a search option here. So when you click on that, this slide from the right will appear. Under search, you want to just type in W-2, click on the first option that says form W-2, like so, and then click on here, jump to form W-2. Now, this is where things get confusing for some. So you want to click on the first option, which is work on my W-2, because if you click on the second, I don't have, there's a lot of other steps, or skip for now, you won't be able to do this. So clicking on the first option is the key, and then click continue. Now here, you need to enter your employer ID number or EIN or federal ID on your W-2, and then click continue. It's very straightforward. After that, you practically have uploaded your information on your W-2 using your employer ID. So pretty much it. That's the video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, read that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.